7:28 na. So, merong 2-hour delay ang mga bata ngayon sa school. And then, kaliligo ko lang. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ako naliligo dahil hindi ako nagpapalit all day. Isang araw, tsaka kagabi. So, ayan. Sobrang lamig sa labas ngayon. Oh my gosh. But, anyways, let's make some breakfast. What? Here's my babies. Good morning.
Babies.
Hey, you guys tell mommy's baby, okay? Shush. So we're fixing eggs.
You're wrapping presents already?
Huh?
You're wrapping presents already?
Yeah, those are gifts for me and daddy.
Mom, I just saw a Spider-Man present.
You did?
Yes.
And?
It was so cool.
It was so cool, huh?
I liked it.
Look.
Like this. Your big sister, little sister's up.
Oh, that is so sweet. That's so sweet of you two. Oh. Cece, are you gonna eat breakfast with them? Or are you gonna wait breakfast? You're gonna eat breakfast with mommy.
I'm gonna eat breakfast with my big boys.
With your big boys?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll fix you some. You want some eggs?
Yes. I want some eggs.
Morning.
Hey Mom, did you see Buddy?
No, why? Where is he?
He's on the glass.
He's rock climbing?
Yes, for exercise. He's exercising.
He's exercising.
On the glass.
On the glass?
Yeah. Let me see.
Buddy. Hold on, let me see. Where?
He's trying to get to the top.
He's trying to get to the top? Where?
Yeah. Right here.
Where? Oh my word, buddy! What you doing there?
He can't talk, silly.
He can't talk silly. Really?
Buddy's rock climbing.
Sissy, let's see.
Buddy rock climbing right there. He's rock climbing.
Turn on the light.
Sissy.
So I waited for them to turn the Christmas tree. Ayan.
Mom, can we eat in here?
Yeah. Go ahead and move these stuff so I can so you guys can eat there. So wala tayong masyadong ilaw sa sala. Sobrang dark sa sala. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna make some breakfast muna. Kasi we need to hurry. Baka mamaya magmadali na naman tayo. Yes.
Our tree is our presents.
Huh?
Our tree is it our presents?
It's your present? I don't know. Is it?
I don't know. But there's a bio one, a Hello Kitty one, Jack Skeleton, and a Santa one.
The Santa one?
Or a Sonic one. Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Sonic. Look what you left in the living room.
Oh, the fire thing? That's
Yeah.
alright.
Yeah, a fire packet from
Kala ko naman kung ano naiwan ko,
yeah,
no?
you forgot about that and you didn't use it.
It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. You're gonna be Alright, we're gonna make some breakfast. So, si Troy lang yung ginawan ko ng lunch, guys. Kasi meron silang lunch sa school ngayon na gusto nila. It's pizza. So, minake sure ko lang na kakain talaga si Troy. I know he likes pizza, but I just wanted to make sure na kakain siya. So, kaya I made him lunch. So, yung dalawang... Ha? So, yung dalawang kuya is they're gonna eat pizza sa school. So, ayan. I-start ko na yung sasakyan ko, guys, kasi is 8:02 na and malamig para nagwa-warm up na yung ating core. So, guys, ito yung lunch ni Troy. What is it? That's yours. Put it on. So, dahil shape ng Christmas tree and the star. Ay, ang cute. So, ayan. Ayan, guys, we're getting ready to go. You sure you have your laptop in here? Alright, open the door, Caleb. Alright, go, let's go. Ayan, it is cold. So much snow ka dyan, wala namang isip.
Snow down there.
Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, umuulan na naman nag-snow. Alright, go, let's go.
There's snow everywhere. Just look.
Alright, come on, let's go, let's go. Sissy, you hurry up. Ito yung mga iba nating decoration, guys. Go! Get in! Ay! What are you guys doing?
Oh, there's no leads somewhere.
Sissy, go! Troy, let Sissy go first. She needs to go first so she can be in there. Okay, go. Dali, ang lamig. Diyos me yung marimar. No! No! Here, Kayla, take this, put it in the back. Yeah, in the back, all the way. Close the door. Alright. What? Guys, tinan nyo yung ating temperature. 26 degree. Yeah, dito na tayo sa bus stop. Yeah. Not yet. It's too cold to come out. Oh, the bus is here. Just wait until the bus gets here. Ayun na yung bus, oh. Alright, put your phone down.
Mom, open the store.
No, you go. Move, Sissy. Ayun na yung bus. Alright, let's go. Ayan, guys. Nandun na sila sa bus. Say bye, kuyas. So, guys, pinasok ko na lahat ng, of course, nandiyan pa rin si Buddy. Pinasok ko na lahat ng nandun sa labas. And right now, pinapatulog ko si Natalia for nap. It is 12:30 na. And ito yung mga kalat ko. Oh my God. Ito yung mga kalat ko. So, ayan. Tinanggal ko na sila sa mga Tapos, ayun yung for kitchen. Yung mga blanket nandiyan din. And this one is for here. Hindi ko pa na-turn on yung light na yan. But yeah. So, ayan. Oh my Lord. Let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter.
So here is the front. Ayan. I'm so happy.
If the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Guys, nakalimutan ko nagba-vlog pala ako. So, ayan, sinatap ko yung 4 feet na tree. Pero I'm not sure kung i-stay ko siya dyan. And tingnan nyo yung binila ng aking asawa. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo. Hello Kitty Christmas time. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy with this right here. Ayan. Ayan, I'm happy with that. So, ayan. Okay na to. Kailangan lang natin sindihan itong fireplace para mas more talagang maganda siyang kalalabasan. But, kailangan muna natin lagyan ng gas yan dahil kasi gas yung aming fireplace. So, actually, ilang years na namin yung hindi nabubuksan. So, I have no idea. So, ayan. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this right here. Yay! So, guys, nandito na kami sa bus stop. Look at Sissy.
And I wear my Hello Kitty hat. And also
So, it's 31 degrees. Sobrang lamig.
I show them where we are.
Huh? Or what?
Show them where we are.
Show them?
At the bus stop.
At the bus stop.
Yes, open it.
Huh?
My watch. That's my phone.
There's the bus!
Mommy, I want to get up.
You wanna get out?
I want to get up with
Ayan. Ayan na sila.
Mom, what if I tell you?
Tingnan nyo guys si Caleb. Nag-decided siya na maglakad pero nilalamig na yan. Tumakbo pala, hindi lumalakad. Uy, be careful! Ito naman tong mga to. Oh, sige. Hi guys! So, nakalimutan ko na nag-vlog ako. And sobrang na-busy talaga ako guys. So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo guys yung overall na ginawa ko today. Sa living room lang muna ako nag-start. And then, tomorrow na yung kitchen kasi talagang naubusan tayo ng oras. And kasi I was cleaning also at the same time. So, kaya medyo natagalan tayo yung pagde-decorate natin. So, to be continue yung ating pag-decorate tomorrow. Oh my gosh. So, ito, pakita ko na sa inyo yung overall na ginawa natin. So, start ko kayo dito guys sa door. Ayan, nilagay natin yung wreath. And then, yung ating Merry Christmas dyan. Hindi dapat dyan yan pero dyan ko na nilagay. And then, yung ating rug outside. And yung kalat natin. Ayan. And then, of course, pagpasok nyo, ayan yung makikita nyo. Ayan. And of course, Buddy's still here. So, yan. Diyan ko lang muna yung nilagay dahil wala pa akong pwesto dyan. And then, so, dito naman tayo sa area na to. And, ayan. Nilagyan natin si Hello Kitty. Pinili sa akin ng asawa ko yan. Ewan ko kung napakita ko na yan sa inyo. So, binili niya yan sa akin the other day dahil nakita ko siya sa TikTok. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko tignan niya kung meron pa. So, yan. Buti na lang meron pa. And then, itong ating tree right here. Di ko alam kung, ayan. Wala na ata ng baterya. Dahil kanina pa ito nakabukas Wait lang. Ay, puta kayo. Wala na atang battery to. Ayun namatay. Ayan. Ayan, of course, nilagay natin si Santa Claus sa baba. And then, naglagay ako ng wreath dyan. Ayan, ito guys, yung pinaka, si Santa Claus climbing, nilagay na natin. Ayan. Ayan yung ating tree. So, I am so tired. And ito pala guys, nilagay ko yung mga, pictures with Santa. Nag-start kami ng pictures with Santa 2017. Tapos, wala silang picture si Chad ng pictures with Santa nung 2015, 2016 wala din. So nag-start kami 2017, 18, tapos 19. Ayan, alam niyo naman na nangyari sa 2020. Wala lahat. So wala tayong pictures with Santa ng 2020. 2021.
Mommy, welcome to the dance party.
I'm not sure. No, yeah, meron tayong 2021 na pictures with Santa. 2022, tapos ngayong 2023, wala pa tayong pictures with Santa. So, yeah. So, we're gonna be doing that probably next week. Maybe next week. So, I am so tired. So, ito, pakita ko naman sa inyo guys yung sa kitchen na yung konti lang na ginawa ko. So, ayan guys ang ating ginawa. So, yan. And then, dito, ilalagay ko yung pictures ng mga bata para may pictures naman sila dito sa kitchen. So, ayan. And of course, ito yung ating kalat. Nandiyan pa rin siya. And mas lalong kumalat yung kitchen kasi pinakain ko muna yung mga bata. So, yan. Bukas na natin ito liligpitin. And, yeah, I'm so tired na. Even ba sila? Parang hindi, diba? Ewan ko. So, I am so tired, guys. Kaya, ayun. So, and then, alam niyo naman, mamaya na naman gabi. Ito na naman yung ating aasikasuhin. Kung ano na naman gagawin natin dyan. Oh my gosh. So, ngayon pa lang magde-decide na ako. Daddy's house!
We say super day. This is the superhero day. Whenever we say mission,
Caleb,
we got a blade saw. We gotta do the
where did you go?
everywhere.
No,
We gotta do
put that down before you hit something.
everywhere we gotta do. Or knock this down. We gotta do. Yeah, we gotta do. Everywhere we yeah, the super.
Gulo naman tong dancer na to. Are you a singer? You're a dancer.
Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Gotta do. I'm flying. I'm good. I am. Yeah, we gotta do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look. Remember we be at super power. I am electricity.
So guys, it is 11:22 na. Oh my gosh, alam niyo ba lagi na lang ako late na tutulog dahil dito sa Elf on the Shelf na to. Oh my gosh. But anyways, nag-edit din ako ng vlog nung Saturday. So, meron ako nakita sa TikTok na ano lang siya, easy lang siya, na hindi natin kailangan ng mahirapan. And yeah, sobrang easy lang siya. So, iti-tape lang natin sila and with Woody and Buzz. Yan. So basically, parang iti-tape nila si Buddy at like he's an alien or something. I don't know. But yeah, so let's do this thing.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate.
So ayan na siya guys. Hawak ni Buzz tape na nilagay niya kay Buddy. Ayan, o diba? Say, please tell Woody and Buzz I'm not an alien. Love, Buddy. So guys, tutulog na tayo dahil magto 12 o'clock na. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm happy dito sa ating Elf on the Shelf. So, yeah, I'm so happy. Day 3 na natin today. So, well, tomorrow technically, day 3 na. So, ayun. So, I'm gonna go to sleep na dahil maaga na tayo bukas tomorrow. Ano ba yun? Dahil regular day na ang school ng mga bata bukas. Hindi na sila half day. Hindi na sila 2-hour delay. So, regular time na sila tomorrow. So, maaga tayong gigising. So, para makapag-breakfast and make them lunch. So, ayan. So, thank you guys sa pagsama sa akin today. Sa aking paglilinis, sa pagde-decorate. So, sana na-enjoy nyo ang vlog natin today kahit na medyo I'm like everywhere. But, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog mas. And, I'm so happy na I am back. And, I just need to edit video para makapag-upload na ako. O, diba? So, by the time na ma-upload ko to, nakapag-upload na ako. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Good night.
We have nothing to protect.